Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own blogging website and run ads over it to earn money. So we are going to use Variant PHP script in order to create this website. So let me give you the quick demo of the website. So this is the website that we are going to create using a Variant PHP script. You can see how amazing its landing page is. So in landing page there is an option of breaking news. Here are sliders, you can slide it to see the latest news. So here are options of lifestyle and different categories of blogs that you can insert over it. So there is a travel blog option, here is a popular post option, and follow us social. You can add your social media links here. You can run ads here to earn money, and this is the landing page. You can see here are different categories of pages or blogs you can insert over it. Here is the RSS news option and sport option and videos option and latest post option and many more. And here at right side you can see there are popular tags, voting polls, you can vote here, and favorite color code option and many more options. You can see it is a footer option. You can see you can add your social media links here, and you can change the complete structure of website using admin panel. So let me give you the quick overview of admin panel, and let's open the admin panel. So this is the admin panel of websites. You can say there are 105 posts over the website, 0 pending posts, 0 draft and scheduled posts. So here are some comments that are pending, and at left side you can see you can add navigation, you can add themes, you can also change themes. So here you can see there's a magazine theme, news website theme, and classic web theme, and also change the theme color and size. You can also add more pages over it, add remove pages. You can add posts from here, articles, gallery, sorted list, travel quizzes and many more options. Audios, and you can also insert audios and videos over your website. So here's the option of bulk post, RSS feeds, categories, widgets, polls, galleries, contact messages, comments and many more options. So you can see here is the order option of ad spaces. From here you can insert ad over your website different sections and earn money through Google AdSense. So you can see all the options here are SEO tools option, roles and permission, users, cache system and all many other options. You can change fonts, social login settings and all this. In general settings you can change the website name, logo and contact setting and many more changes. You can basically you can change the complete structure of websites in a way you like. So this is the quick overview of website. Now let me show you one more thing. So to make this website you need a Variant PHP script. You can see this is a Codecanyon script. You can buy it from Codecanyon. You can see its price is $49. But if you don't want to spend this much money, I will provide you the script. You can contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you this script over a very low price. So you can see, you can read all the details of the script from here. Main feature, responsive design, SEO optimized, feature post and sliders, unlimited pages categories and many more options. You can see all those options here. So these are the functionalities or key features of this website. You can read it and many more. Now let's start building our website. So I'm going to host this website over localhost, but you can host it over your hosting server. The installation process remains the same with a little bit differences. So now let's start building our website. First of all, you have to turn on your XAMPP server. My XAMPP is already on Apache and MySQL. Now go to your PHP script where it is placed. So here is my PHP script. I will just copy it and paste it in the my XAMPP and htdocs folder. So it is pasted. Now I will extract it extract here. It will take some time to extract. You can see the script has been extracted successfully. So this is our script, and this is all the Variant documentation and other things of the script. Now what you have to do is you have to just copy the name and go to your Chrome browser. So I am hosting it over localhost, so I will put my name of the script within these forward slashes. So this is the front page of installation process, you can see. So I will install it. Now in first process you have to insert here in start, you have to insert the license code of the script, and now in second step you need to fulfill these requirements. You can see all the requirements. Now click on next step. You have to give permissions and next. Now you have to create the database. Now let's create the database and user. I will go to localhost and PHP my admin. Sorry, localhost PHP my admin. So localhost. So my PHP admin is open. You can see you can come to database, create database. I will create database with the name of test variant, and you have to click on create. Now our database has been created successfully. Now go to privileges option, create the user of the website. Click on add user account, type the username. I will type it Variant. You can add any name you want. So I will add the password, then retype the password and come to this option and check all and click on go button. So there is some mistake in my password. I will retype it, no problem. Variant, and I will click on go option. So now you can see our database has been created successfully and user has been added. Now go to your installer window and add the name here. So my username is Variant. So again my username is Variant. Database and you have a username are same, Variant, and click on next. Now it will take some time to check to connect database with the website. Now you can see this has been completed, and last step is setting up an admin panel user. So you can select your time zone, select according to your country. Now I will add the admin user, admin@admin.com, and admin password admin. So click on finish, and it is installing our script. So wait for some time. So you can see now our website has been established successfully. It is not showing anything over website because we don't post anything over it. So let's go to admin panel, log into admin, admin. So enter your admin email, admin@admin.com, and password is also admin. You can choose password and email according to you. Now I'll click on login button. Now you can see there is no post, zero pending post, zero draft post, and that all the things that I showed you before. You can from here you can add pages. Click on add pages, delete pages, and the way you like, add anything. You can add posts, articles, galleries, anything you want to add it as a post, you can add it. In themes, there are two themes, activated dark theme and variant white theme. So by clicking on activated dark theme, your website will convert it to dark mode. And you can see all the things that I will demonstrate you before, all the things are the same. So this is the video. So our website has been established successfully. Now if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you need that PHP script you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.